Think of those quiet moments before the roar of the crowd, before you step onto the pitch. There's only one thing that truly matters. Every kick, every breath, every early morning, it's all about pushing yourself to be better, to be the best. Sweat becomes the ink on the canvas of your dreams. You work until you've painted a masterpiece. And now, it's time. This is our moment. The world may not have seen our journey, but they'll witness our glory. It's all led to this. It's been a 2-month build-up to a 90-minute game. And after all the miles we've traveled, we're almost there. After all the hours we've worked, a few more can make us legends. All those practices spent wondering, is it all worth it? This is our moment. This is our time. This Friday, 7 p.m. Innisfield. Friday.